Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stow and Go seats in your Dodge Caravan. First, let's get started by locating the release strap, which is typically found on the back of the seat. Give that strap a firm pull to fold the seat back down flat. Before you proceed, always make sure to remove any floor mats or items from the floor storage compartment to ensure a smooth and easy stowage process. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now, let's get that seat tucked away. You'll find a lever at the front of the seat cushion. Lift this up to release the seat from its upright position. With the lever held, gently push the entire seat forward and down into the floor compartment. Guide it carefully until you hear or feel it lock securely into place. It should sit flush with the floor, creating a completely flat cargo area for your convenience. When you need your seats back, the process is just as simple. Reach into the floor compartment and locate the release strap, often colored for easy identification. Pull this strap to unlock the seat from its stowed position. Then, gently lift the seat upward and backward until it's fully upright. Finally, push the seat back firmly until you hear it latch securely into place, ensuring it's safe for passengers. The Stow and Go system provides incredible versatility, allowing you to quickly switch between carrying passengers and hauling cargo. Remember to always clear the floor wells of any items before stowing your seats to prevent damage or obstruction. A little practice makes the process even smoother, and you'll soon be transforming your caravan's interior in under a minute. Enjoy the convenience of this clever design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.